This is the Onyx case from Ringke, and it is a slim protection case with a bit of a texture on the back. And as you can see, it's got full wraparound protection for the entire camera module, just cutting out where it needs to be cut out. It's got the micro texture on the side for a little bit of grip, good cutouts for the camera control module, and very responsive buttons. The bottom, we've got cutouts for the USB-C and the speakers. That looks good. And overall, a very simple case, a little bit of reinforced edges on the corners. We've got the trimmed sides, so that way we don't have a bunch of extra case wrapping around. But because of that, I would definitely put a screen protector on the phone just to provide additional protection against side impact. But overall, I like it. Let's see how well they did with this particular model on the camera module cutout. So we press the button to enable the camera, and we'll just go ahead and swipe for zoom and kind of soft double tap to get to the camera settings and tap back to get to zoom. All of that is working really well. And as I hold the phone up into more of a photo taking position, the camera control works really well. So I think they did a great job with trimming that out and not making the case too thick, which then would make it a little bit more challenging to use camera control.